If you want your balcony to look like a luxury garden with almost no effort, orchids can bloom for months if you know these simple secrets. Orchid care, tips for balcony. Easy and practical. 1. Light, bright, but gentle. Place orchids where they get bright, indirect sunlight. Morning sun is perfect. Avoid strong afternoon sun. It burns leaves. Tip: light green leaves, happy orchid. 2. Watering. Less is more. Water once or twice a week. Let the pot dry slightly before watering again. Never let roots sit in water. Golden rule: wet roots, plus air. Healthy orchid. 3. Airflow is important. Balconies are great because orchids love fresh air. Good airflow prevents fungus and root rot. 4. Use the right pot and medium. Use pots with drainage holes. Best medium, bark chips, charcoal, or coconut husk. Never use heavy garden soil. 5. Feeding for more blooms. Use orchid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Diluted. Weak but regular feeding works best. 6. Temperature love. Ideal range: 18–36. Protect orchids from heavy rain and strong wind. Amazing benefits of orchids on your balcony. 1. Luxury look, minimal space. Orchids add an elegant, high-end feel, perfect for small balconies. 2. Stress relief and calm mind. Watching orchid blooms reduces stress, creates a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere. 3. Better air quality. Orchids help improve air freshness. Great for urban living. 4. Long-lasting flowers. Blooms can last 2 to 4 months, much longer than most flowering plants. 5. Symbol of love and good energy. Orchids represent beauty, love, and positivity. Perfect for home decor and gifts. Want more flowers and less work? Start with orchids on your balcony today. Like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful plant tips.